come into the world, when you come into the world, you know nothing from nothing. But if you're lucky, you make it halfway down the world. People say that life ain't easy. That's what people say. That life ain't easy. And it ain't because I ain't too blind to see. Sometimes other people do it a little better than me. But that don't worry. That don't upset me. But I know life ain't easy. In a whole bowl of chocolates or nothing like that. Play a harmonica. You do for somebody else when you can go get out in the world and you can live by yourself. They say life ain't easy, but you can't prove it to me. Now the rich get richer, the poor get poorer. Prostitutes stays on the street, high class hooker knock on the door. That's the way it is. That's the way it is. Life ain't easy, folks. That's right. But you gotta have personality and you gotta have charm. Every man don't need a woman. Every woman don't need a man. But all around the world, everybody's going from arms to arms. You got to have a little personality. And you better believe it, you better have a whole lot of charm. Try to take my woman, but why you want to do that to a man like me? I ain't done nothing extra. I ain't done nothing extra special or nothing like that. I tell you folks, life ain't easy, and I know just where it's at. Now, I had a friend. He come into this world quick. and his life come to an end. But he told me something, and you better believe it, he had charm. He said when you make love to the girls, just squeeze them and roll them in your arms.